Selamat pagi, good morning everyone, Kenneth here, and today we are going to do a quick tutorial on how to reset the Lypertek Tevi. And just because recently I came across this problem, it is this thing called white LED is continuously blinking. I'll put a b-roll to show you how, like if you have the same exact problem or if you have any pairing problem between these two earbuds not playing the same music, then you can do a reset. It's a good way to start troubleshooting. There is actually no mentioning of reset in the manual book. It's just you have to go to the website lypertek.com, go to this burger icon and press on FAQ. So it's actually right there, and let's read this together. And it's actually very simple. You first have to forget the previous pairing on your phone, and then you put both earbuds into the charging case and make sure your case has charge. And from then on, you just have to press and hold both buttons for 5 seconds until you can see the light flashing, and then the reset is done. So let's do it together right here. Just make sure that you don't have any previous pairing on your phone. I deleted mine here. And make sure that your case has some charge. How to do it is just wiggle this earbuds around, and you can see that these LED lights up. So that means I have half a charge on my case, and right now I'm just gonna press this button for 5 seconds in 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there you go. Actually, it's not 5 seconds, but you can see you have to be able to see the light flashing, and that is pretty much done. So now it is pairing to your phone. So let's see on my phone right here. There you go, we have the Lypertek Tevi L. There will be a pairing prompt for the right side. There you go, and you will be able to pair. I always have this problem, but anyway, it's pretty much done. Now you have left and right ready to use. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helps, and yeah, kindly do consider giving a thumbs up to the video to help more people, or subscribe for more videos like this. So thank you very much. Kenneth here, and I'll see you in the next one.